Rev up your ride with Hooker Blackheart's stainless steel LS/LT swap exhaust manifolds. If you're on the lookout for the perfect upgrade to enhance your ride's performance, look no further. Hooker Blackheart has just unveiled stainless steel versions of their cast iron lineup of LS/LT swap exhaust manifolds. These stainless steel manifolds take things up a notch compared to their cast iron counterparts. Here's the lowdown on why you need to consider these for your ride. These stainless steel manifolds are built to handle the heat, the pressure, and anything else you can throw at them. You'll have the peace of mind knowing that your exhaust system is built to last. Shedding unnecessary weight is a surefire way of boosting your vehicle's performance. The stainless steel construction not only ups the durability, but also shaves some pounds. These stainless steel manifolds are your ultimate defense against the elements. Say goodbye to worrying about rust and degradation. Your exhaust system will look and perform like a champ no matter what Mother Nature throws at you. The Shorty tight tuck design isn't just for show. You can hug the frame or floor pan with your exhaust tubing, ensuring optimal ground clearance. Whether you're all about the rugged factory look or that polished shine, Hooker Blackheart has you covered. Choose between plain as cast finish or a polished look that screams style. The 2.5-inch outlet diameter means business. You'll experience enhanced flow, translating to top-notch performance from your exhaust manifold. These manifolds are the go-to choice for GM LS/LT engine swaps. With durability, quiet operation, and leak-free sealing, you're in for a smooth ride. Mating flanges, MLS mating flange gaskets, and mating flange hardware are all included. Don't forget, these manifolds are the perfect match for Hooker swap mount plates and Holley engine swap oil pans. Whether you crave power, style, or both, these exhaust manifolds are your ticket to automotive excellence. It's time to hit the road and feel the difference for yourself. Get yours at Holley.com.